welcome to Tales. I'm Olivia. There are less than 4 days left to enter our Any Game giveaway for our YouTube subscribers. Click the link in the description to enter to win the game of your choice as time is running out. Just comment below after you've entered with the game you are most looking forward to winning and also which platform that you would like the game on. To be in with a chance of winning the Xbox One X for patrons, make sure you have signed up to our Patreon page to enter. If you watched our BB-8 Lego video, or maybe you follow us on Instagram, then you will know that we have been lucky enough to pre-order the new DJI Mavic Pro Platinum edition, which arrived earlier this month, but it's been wrapped up as a Christmas present under the tree for weeks. The Mavic Pro Platinum is finally free, and we have been swooping and diving around the skies of North London with its little brother, the DJI Spark. There are many videos comparing the differences between the Mavic Classic and the Mavic Pro Platinum, and if you want to sit and watch a video comparing the difference in sound between the two drones, then this is not the right video for you. Having said that, it is so quiet and at least feels definitely much quieter than the DJI Spark. The Mavic Pro Platinum comes in a very chic platinum color. It can fly slightly longer than the Mavic Classic and has new ESCs, which apply a new field-oriented control technology, which combined with the new 8331 noise reduction propellers, make this one of the quietest drones available today. Most tests have the sound reduction at about 60% less than the Mavic Classic. So I opted for the Fly More Combo Pack, which is currently available on Amazon UK for £1,424. It comes with 2 additional batteries, a battery charging hub, which allows you to charge up to 4 batteries at the same time, a car charger, golden low noise propellers, which are very cool, a Mavic shoulder bag, and Mavic battery to power bank adapter. You can also pick up the Mavic Classic Fly More Pack for £1,100 on Amazon UK, making the Classic about £300 cheaper than the Platinum. So our first trip with the Mavic Pro Platinum, we were standing in a field in North London on a beautiful sunny winter's day. It felt super cold though, and my hands basically turned to ice. Next time I'm gonna have to remember gloves. So let's take a look at these goodies and then some footage of our first flight with the Mavic Pro Platinum and the DJI Spark having a dogfight in the skies. Okay, so here we are with the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. It's so pretty. I have it all kind of arms extended and stuff at the moment, but I'll show you guys how small it goes as well. But first of all, I just thought I'd show you everything that comes with the Fly More Combo Pack. So first of all, this is the bag that comes with the Fly More Combo Pack, which is really nice, okay? It's really, really good quality, and you can definitely fit most of like what you need in it, but you can't fit everything in it. So I think it's gonna be good for kind of shorter trips, just pack a few bits and pieces and off you go. And to be honest, generally, it's actually a really good just camera bag, to be honest. So I think it's really good, but for the trip to Norway, where we wanna take basically everything with us and need to fit all the charging battery packs and all that kind of stuff, we've opted for a slightly bigger bag, which we got on Amazon. So this is the bigger one. So it's also got more of a kind of a hard shell case, which is quite good, so it'll protect a little bit more. Hopefully maybe keep it warmer as well, I don't know. So if we open it up, I'll show you everything that's inside. So this is what the inside of the case looks like. Obviously the Mavic Pro Platinum itself fits in there once all the arms have been put away. We've also got 3 batteries in here, 3 extra batteries. We did accidentally buy a Mavic Pro Classic battery instead of the Mavic Pro Platinum. It works exactly the same, it's just a different color. So they don't match, which means my OCD is going crazy right now, but that's okay, I'll get over it. So in here we also have the controller. It's quite hard to get this stuff out. There we go. Which is very nice. So these extend like this. There's a little cable here with the lightning cable, so it attaches to your iPhone. There are 2 different cables that also come with it, so it can work with Android, etc. as well. And then these extend too for the aerial. If I can get it to, there we go. So it's very, very similar to the DJI Spark, basically. It's quite similar, except the Spark, you don't have to plug this in. And then that's it. It's got a nice big screen here so you can see everything that's going on. It's also got some buttons and stuff on here so you can control things like the camera and various different movements and get it to take photos or videos, etc., which is quite cool. So in addition to having those things, we've also got everything we need in terms of battery chargers. So this is the battery pack. Basically plug it in somewhere there on the inside of that, and then as you can see here there's 4 different sections, so you can literally charge all 4 of your batteries all at the same time, which is really cool. So you can fit all your extra bits and pieces in here that you might want to have with you. So we've got all of our extra propellers and stuff. So we've got in here our nice pretty gold ones and things. Whoops. And then we also have, these are our lenses, which we're going to try out, which I think look really cool. This is how it opens up. So we're definitely going to be using these a lot in Norway, I think, to really boost some of the colours and stuff and some of the imagery that we're going to get, which is going to look really nice. So I just want to show you guys a little bit more of the Mavic Pro Platinum. So I'm just going to fold the little propellers and arms away so you can see what it looks like when it's all compact and how it moves. So first of all, the back ones, you push these under here like this. And then you do the top ones, which just come back like this. And that's it. It's so small for a drone, it's so cool. So we've got our beautiful little camera protected in here at the moment by this little dome thing. You can take this off so you guys can see it a bit better. And pull that, there we go. So it's a wonderful 4K camera, so we can get some beautiful footage. And also it's got a 3-axis gimbal as well, which is gonna come in handy to some of these kind of big landscape flying around shots and stuff we're gonna be doing in Norway. Okay, so I just wanted to bring out its little brother, the DJI Spark, which is so tiny and cute, and also actually shoot some really nice footage. So the stuff that we shot on Instagram the other day was actually the DJI Spark, not the Mavic Pro Platinum. So we basically used this to film the Platinum because it looked cool. So look at the difference in the size of these two. It's amazing actually, the difference. But we're gonna have a lot of fun flying these two guys around Norway, racing each other. There's no point in racing them. The Mavic Pro Platinum is a lot faster, can go a lot higher and all that kind of stuff, but it's really cool. Okay, so one thing worth mentioning is that both of these drones have obstacle avoidance only on the front of the drones, on the front cameras. So you have to be a little bit careful of your surroundings, because you probably could quite easily just back it straight up into a tree. So definitely be aware of your surroundings and where you're flying drones. We read up on all the kind of regulations and stuff around drone flying in all different countries, so we know what we can do when we fly places, but generally it's just be careful. first flight, we will be testing out some lens filters for the Mavic camera shortly to see if we can get even better results and have a mess around to find the optimum settings as well. We need to do lots of practicing like in the next 2 weeks, as well as we are on a special DigiTales trip in January to film in the Arctic Circle in Norway. Naturally, I just had to buy a special drone flying in the Arctic outfit. And here it is! We are going on a tour of the beautiful winter mountains of Norway in partnership with Wandering Owl. I have my snow trousers, I have some thermal layers on as well, which you can't see, and this super warm coat from Colombia to keep me warm. It's going to be tough going for the Mavic Pro and the Spark in the freezing conditions, so let's hope they survive this extreme weather test. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell icon to find out when we post our Norway video in January. Before you go, please remember the giveaways are only for our subscribers and our patrons, and the more that you share this video, the more tech that we will continue to give away. So hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below and leave me a comment letting me know if you are here for the giveaways. Also, feel free to add me on my Snapchat. It's live_digitales, or you can scan this QR code right here through the app. Please leave me a comment below and click on my big logo subscribe button, which is right over here. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon below to get notifications whenever we post new content and competitions. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up, and you can also check out my Patreon page, which is right over here, or another one of my videos like this one below.